How many times have you heard that money is the root of all evil? We've been taught to fear debt, to see it as this big bad wolf waiting to gobble up our financial futures. But let me tell you, that's just plain wrong. It's time to change that narrative. The wealthy? They don't fear debt. They use it strategically to build empires. It's time you learn to do the same. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 smart ways you can actually profit from debt, just like the wealthy do. We're going to bust some myths and give you the no-nonsense, practical advice you need to take control of your finances. No more living paycheck to paycheck, no more feeling trapped by debt. It's time to make debt work for you, to build the future you deserve. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom and learn how to use debt to your advantage, hit that subscribe button and buckle up. This is going to be a game changer. Let's talk about a concept that might sound a little crazy at first: borrowing money to make money. Now I know what you're thinking. Dave, are you telling me to go into debt? Well, yes and no. I'm talking about strategic debt, the kind that helps you build wealth, not bury yourself in it. Let me give you an example. Let's say you've got a knack for finding great deals. Maybe you've got an eye for antiques, or you know where to find high-quality goods at bargain prices overseas, like in China. Now imagine you could borrow money at, say, 5% interest. You take that money and buy a whole bunch of those amazing products you know will sell like hotcakes. You list them online, at flea markets, or even to local businesses. You sell everything for a nice profit, pay back your loan with interest, and what do you have left over? That's right, pure profit. That's the power of using debt strategically. But hold on, before you rush off to take out a loan, there's a crucial ingredient here: trust. This strategy works best when you're dealing with products and people you trust. You need to know you're getting quality goods that you can sell, and that you're dealing with reliable suppliers and buyers. Building strong relationships is key. Talk to suppliers, negotiate deals, and make sure you're comfortable with them. Do your research on potential buyers, read reviews, and build a reputation for honesty and fairness. Remember, this strategy isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable business. It takes hard work, dedication, and smart decision-making. But if you're willing to put in the effort, borrowing money to resell can be a powerful way to build wealth. Just remember to start small, manage your risks, and always have a plan to repay your loans. And never, ever borrow more than you can afford to pay back. That's how you turn debt from a scary monster into a powerful tool for success. Let's talk about your house. Now, I'm not talking about selling it. I'm talking about a strategy called refinancing, which can be a powerful way to tap into your home's hidden potential and build serious wealth. Think of your home like a piggy bank, and refinancing is the key that unlocks the cash inside. Here's how it works. Let's say interest rates have gone down, or your credit score has improved since you got your original mortgage. You can refinance your home, basically replacing your old mortgage with a new one with better terms. This can mean lower monthly payments, which frees up cash flow every month. Or you can use a cash-out refinance to pull out some of the equity you've built in your home. That's like getting a low-interest loan using your house as collateral. Now here's where it gets really interesting. You can use that cash for all sorts of things, like paying off high-interest debt, investing in your business, or even renovating your home. And guess what? Those renovations can actually increase your home's value, which means even more equity and potential profit down the line. Plus, when you refinance for home improvements, you might be able to deduct the interest on your taxes, putting even more money back in your pocket. Now, let me be clear. I'm not saying you should go out and refinance just to have more spending money. Refinancing is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used wisely or foolishly. Before you even think about refinancing, do your homework. Shop around for the best rates and terms, crunch the numbers, and make sure it makes financial sense for your situation. Talk to a trusted financial advisor if you need help. Remember, debt should be a stepping stone to wealth, not a stumbling block. Used wisely, refinancing can help you achieve your financial goals faster and build a brighter future for you and your family. Let's dive into the world of hedge funds, something many folks think is just for millionaires and billionaires. But hold on, understanding how hedge funds work can open your eyes to investment strategies that can make a real difference in your own portfolio. Now, hedge funds are like mutual funds on steroids. They pool money from investors, but they play the market with a whole different set of rules and strategies. They use leverage, which means they borrow money to amplify their bets, and they invest in all sorts of things: stocks, bonds, currencies, commodities, you name it. One of their secret weapons is something called short selling. It sounds complicated, but it's pretty simple. Let's say they think a certain stock is overvalued and about to go down. They borrow shares of that stock from someone else, sell them at the current high price, and then wait for the price to drop. When it does, they buy back the shares at the lower price, return them to the lender, and pocket the difference. It's like selling high and buying low, but in reverse. Of course, it's not always that easy. Hedge funds take on a lot of risk, and they don't always win. But the best ones consistently outperform the market, and that's why they attract so much money. Now you might be thinking, Dave, I don't have millions to invest in a hedge fund. And you're right, most of us don't. But here's the thing, you don't have to be a millionaire to learn from the pros. By understanding how hedge funds use debt and other strategies to generate returns, you can start thinking about your own investments in a new light. You can learn about risk management, diversification, and how to spot opportunities that others might miss. So while you might not be running your own hedge fund anytime soon, understanding how they work can give you a leg up in the investment game. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know about the financial world, the better equipped you'll be to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Hold on tight, because we're diving into the fast-paced world of Forex, short for foreign exchange. Now, Forex is the largest financial market in the world, and it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's where currencies are traded, and it's all about leverage. Imagine you could control large sums of money with just a small amount of your own capital. That's the power of leverage in Forex. Here's the basic idea. You buy one currency and simultaneously sell another, betting that the currency you bought will increase in value against the one you sold. Now, because currencies fluctuate in tiny fractions of a cent, Forex traders use leverage to magnify their potential profits. It's like using a megaphone to amplify your voice. But here's the catch. Just like leverage can amplify your profits, it can also amplify your losses. That's why Forex trading is not for the faint of heart. It requires discipline, risk management, and a solid understanding of the market. Now, you might be wondering, Dave, is Forex trading just another form of gambling? Well, it can be if you treat it that way. But if you approach it with knowledge, a well-defined strategy, and strict risk management, Forex can be a powerful tool for wealth generation. One of the keys to success in Forex is understanding how to use debt responsibly. Leverage allows you to control larger positions, which can lead to bigger profits, but it also means bigger potential losses. That's why it's crucial to manage your risk carefully and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Forex trading isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making calculated trades based on market analysis and managing your risk effectively. If you're willing to put in the time and effort to learn the ropes, Forex can be an exciting and potentially lucrative way to grow your wealth. Let's talk about your credit score, a number that holds immense power in the financial world. It's like your financial report card, and it can make or break your dreams of building wealth. A good credit score is your golden ticket to lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, and even access to exclusive investment opportunities. Think of it this way. Your credit score is a measure of trust. It tells lenders how likely you are to repay your debts on time. The higher your score, the more trustworthy you appear, and the more willing lenders are to give you favorable terms. Now, building a good credit score takes time and discipline. It's about paying your bills on time, keeping your credit card balances low, and not taking on too much debt. But the rewards are well worth the effort. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest payments over your lifetime. It can also give you the leverage you need to secure financing for business ventures, real estate investments, and other wealth-building opportunities. Now, let's say you've made some mistakes in the past and your credit score isn't where you want it to be. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. You can improve your credit score over time by taking steps like paying down your debt, disputing errors on your credit report, and becoming an authorized user on a responsible family member's credit card. Remember, your credit score is a reflection of your financial habits. By making smart choices and managing your debt responsibly, you can build a strong credit history that will open doors to financial freedom. So there you have it. 5 smart ways you can use debt to build wealth. Remember, debt isn't inherently evil. It's a tool, and like any tool, it can be used to build something amazing or tear things down. The key is to use debt strategically, with a clear plan and a focus on building long-term wealth. Don't let fear hold you back from achieving your financial goals. Embrace the power of informed debt usage and start building the future you deserve. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of investing, learn more about these strategies and discover even more ways to grow your wealth. Hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey to financial freedom.